Are you tired of your car audio system lacking the punch it deserves? Stick around because today, we're looking into the top 5 best AGM batteries for car audio that'll take your sound system to the next level. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated. And check out the links in the description for the best deals on these incredible products. Number 5. Skar Audio High Performance Car Audio Battery. The Skar Audio High Performance Battery offers a 12V AGM with 1275 amps of maximum output and 1100 cranking amps. With an 85 Ah capacity, it ensures long-lasting power and boasts a reserve capacity of 150 minutes. The included terminal hardware makes installation a breeze. I've used this for a mid-range audio setup, and its consistent power delivery was a game-changer during high bass performances. It's slightly heavier than similar batteries but still worth every penny for its reliability. Number 4. XS Power PS 1200L AGM Car Audio Battery. This powerhouse features a sealed, non-spillable design and cutting-edge lead-tin AGM technology, allowing flexible mounting in any orientation. It's ideal for high-heat environments and supports 1500-3000W systems with ease. I love how it fits directly into most OEM battery locations, no modifications needed. The resistance to vibration is perfect for off-road adventures. The price point is higher, but the durability justifies the investment. Number 3. XS Power D6500 AGM Sealed Car Audio Battery. The XS Power D6500 packs a punch with 3900 amps and a 75 Ah capacity. It's spill-proof, vibration-resistant, and offers ultra-low internal resistance for seamless performance. This battery handled my high-powered audio system effortlessly, even during long road trips. The ability to mount it in almost any position is a huge bonus. It's the most expensive on this list, but the sheer power and reliability make it worth every dollar. Number 2. Kinetik HC600 Blue Black Power Cell Battery. With 600W max support, advanced AGM technology, and ultra-low ESR, the Kinetik HC600 is perfect for compact systems. Its leak-proof, non-hazardous design ensures safe use. For small setups, this battery is unbeatable. I didn't even need a capacitor thanks to its energy storage capabilities. It's limited to smaller systems, but it's the best in its class for that niche. 1. ACDelco Gold 94R AGM Battery. The ACDelco Gold 94R AGM stands out with its robust design, high-density plate oxide, and advanced grid technology. It resists leaks and maximizes conductivity for dependable performance. This is my go-to for ultimate reliability and longevity. It's a premium choice for high-performance setups. While it delivers exceptional performance, it's heavier than other options, which might be a consideration for those mindful of vehicle weight. Despite this, its reliability makes it a top choice. There you have it. My top 5 AGM batteries for car audio. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more reviews like this. Also, check out the links in the description to grab these batteries at the best prices. Until next time, keep your bass booming.